Look carefully and you'll spot this Japanese laurel all over London. He was wildly popular in the Victorian times when they called him the golden plant because of the variegation or yellow spots on his leaves. But Patch call him Cubby. Don't let that cute name deceive you. Cubby's actually really hardcore. He's one of those plants that will bring structure and interest into your urban garden all year round. And when the more delicate plants die down for winter, this guy will still be bringing you life. One thing to note though, like a lot of plants, he hates having wet feet. So it's really important to check that there's no water hanging out in the bottom of his container or underneath, and that there's adequate drainage to let the water run out. When you're watering, always make sure to check the soil before you give him a drink. If you put your finger in up to the knuckle and bring it out, you'll be able to tell if it feels moist and the soil will stick to your finger. If this is the case, like with this guy, you won't need to water him for about another week or so. And always check before you do. Otherwise, while Cubby will put up with all sorts of light levels, he prefers to have a little bit of shade. So if you've got a sheltered balcony, a basement flat with an outdoor space, or something like a covered fire escape, Cubby's the one for you. While we recommend that you grow Cubby outdoors, you can actually keep Japanese laurel indoors too, if you've not got enough room or you just love him, you want him both places. Wherever you put him though, like a lot of our larger plants, it's really important to put him in a container that's not too heavy. Something like this polystone means that you'll be able to move him around whenever you like.
For more information, check out the Patch Urban Gardening course. It's available on their website.